Seems as though Nolan will take it. Oh, and Nolan chugs his shot wide. Poor effort. Probably elbowed in the face, but no foul, says the referee. And Morrill can't get past Dose. Dose puts it in for Brown. He has a chance to go here. Oh, calmly. Oh, what a finish. Kevon Brown. Kelvin Brown, rather. Aiming for Tyreek Robinson. As well to get past his man. Gets it to Kelvin Brown. Goal scorer. Beckford. Lovely turn, but a dangerous tackle there by Tyree Scott. He's had a few of those type of tackles so far. And as a result, opt to take a shot as well. And Dose. Goalkeeper can't save it. And Beckford. Dose takes a free kick. Aiming for Robinson. And Spence. Oh! And that's 3. Tyreek Robinson has scored so far in view. Remains to see what the routine will be here. And the free kick by Larman is into the wall, but here's Brown. Across goal! And it's tapped in. And it will be offside against Beckford, who's denied his second goal. Remains to see what the routine will be here. And the free kick by Larman is into the wall, but here's Brown. Across goal! And it's tapped in. And it will be offside against Beckford, who's denied his second goal of the game. By Tyree Scott. And his team finds themselves 3-0 down and a man down. Zaire, though, will be looking to make things even worse from this free kick. Steps up. And a great effort, but finds it over the bar. Goal, rather. Short corner taken here. Ball gets to jump. Crosses into the box. Oh, on a point blank range. Nolan tries to get it through to Byron. Unfortunately can't do so. Able to get past Jashawn Edwards. And that would be a throw in to Harbour View. Tyreek Robinson. Oh, lovely work there to get past Christopher Allen. Larman, perhaps a tactical replacement, and he has played really, really well, and he switches play to Tyreek Robinson. His passing range has been phenomenal, has been on display today. Robinson gets past his defender, and his shot is gone in! An exact replica of the goal he scored 2 weeks ago. No one could quite have predicted this. Gutsmore unable to get to that one. Here's Peyton Lima. Oh, Larman's shot is blocked. That will go out for a corner. Free kick taken here. And that's not headed in by Siobhan Barron, who's made it 4-1. Would prove to be a consolation goal. Quite a number of changes by Harbour View, including their informed deadly striker Tyreek Robinson. Off after scoring 2 goals, including a beautifully taken finish from about 30, 25 yards out. That's it, folks.